Finding statutes. In addition to secondary sources, the other ways to locate statutes include using an index, browsing the code outline, using a popular name table, and online keyword searching. All print statutory codes have an index, such as the General Index to the Idaho Code. We're going to find the statute about alcohol content of beer, so I've selected the index volume for letters A to H. First, we look up beer and check the various entries. When we find the listing for alcoholic content, we see that the relevant statute is at Title 23, Section 1002. Next, we find the volume of the Idaho Code that contains Title 23, and turn to Section 1002, where we read that the limit for alcohol content in beer made and sold in Idaho is 6%. Now we update the statute by turning to the pocket part in the back of the book. The text of the statute was changed in 2015, but the amendment was merely to the spelling of percent. Westlaw provides electronic access to code indexes, which can be accessed from the appropriate jurisdiction's statutes page. We follow the exact same process as using a print index, just clicking links instead of finding volumes and turning pages. First, we locate beer. Since different editors often make different editorial choices, the index looks different here than it does in the print Idaho Code. With no entry specific to alcohol content, we're going to look at generally or Title 23, Section 1001 et sec. Et sec means "and what follows" and refers to the related sections following Section 1001. Section 1001 doesn't answer our research question, but since it's very related, the relevant statute is probably close by. So we're going to look at the outline of Chapter 10, or beer. And this easily leads us to Section 1002, alcoholic content. Another way to locate statutes is by browsing the code outline, which can be done online or in print. Lexis has the Idaho Code broken into 4 pieces, including general laws. When we click the plus sign, it will expand to show the titles located therein. After locating Title 23, or alcoholic beverages, we again expand to see the sections within that title, and expand Chapter 10 to see the sections related to beer. After finding that Section 1002 is labeled alcoholic content, we need only click on the link to read the statute. The popular name table is how you locate all relevant code sections by using the session law's popular name. An act's popular name, such as the Affordable Care Act or Americans with Disabilities Act, is usually assigned by the legislator who wrote the bill. A popular name table is an alphabetical list of acts by their popular names that tells you where each section of the law was codified. Popular name tables are available in print and online. To use the popular name table on Westlaw, first locate the appropriate statutory code. We're going to find the codified sections of the Americans with Disabilities Act, which is a federal law, so we go to the USCA. The link to the popular names table is located on the left side of the screen. The hyperlinked alphabet across the top allows us to navigate to the name of our act. With A already selected, we scroll down until we find the Americans with Disabilities Act and click on the name. Here we find the session law or public law citation and a table of current USCA classifications. We see that Section 2 of the Act is codified at 42 USCA 12,101, Section 3 at 42 USCA, Section 12,102, etc. If a section or sections, such as 5 through 100, don't appear on the table, that means they were superseded by subsequent acts passed by Congress, or for some other reason are no longer in effect and do not have a current code section to list. The last option we're going to cover is online keyword searching, which is useful when you are searching for unique terms that are not likely to be included in the index or table of content. It can be especially useful when searching in an annotated code, as an electronic service will search the text of the annotations and may reveal statutes that wouldn't come up in a keyword search of just the statutory text. Keep in mind that keyword searching options include advanced searching. With advanced searching, you can employ terms and connectors, such as a numerical connector, to improve search results by dictating the proximity to one another in which your search terms appear. You have finished the video on finding statutes. If you have not already, please view the other videos assigned for this unit.